Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 128. He who wishes to become a fluent speaker must first of all be capable of making a speech, but it is a somewhat sad fact that some people are naturally incapable of expressing their thoughts verbally. It is no abuse of language, however, to state that even nature may be overcome and the taciturn person may acquire such fluency as to surprise his friends by his eloquence. It is only necessary to recall the character of Demosthenes and how he developed the characteristics of a great orator to prove that this is so. It is especially essential that familiarization with details of the subject be acquired beforehand, otherwise, a mortgage is placed on the chances of success by an insufficiency of facts when a sufficiency would probably mean unqualified success. With the precision of a mathematician, he should marshal his facts, familiarize himself with apt illustrations to establish them, and keep in view the immediate purpose of his speech. Then there are certain gestures which can be suited to circumstances with mathematical accuracy, but these should be as far removed as possible from merely mechanical action if the maximum results are to be attained. Some fail to govern themselves in this matter and thus extinguish the possibility of being effective. Further, a homely and familiar style should be cultivated and adopted as occasion requires. The efficient cultivation of the voice should receive special attention. Unfortunately, it is too often ignored or treated with but insufficient consideration by those who do not recognize its expediency. Full stop.